Dexter and the Day the Sky Fell, just a little. Dexter was lying in the grass watching the sky. It was a very good sky. Blue, wide, with clouds that looked like sleepy sheep. "I like the sky," Dexter said. The sky said nothing. It usually didn't. But then, plop. Something soft landed on Dexter's head. He blinked. What? He looked up. The sky looked normal, but something small and fluffy had fallen beside him. Dexter poked it with his paw. It was cool, light, and a little bit wobbly. "A cloud?" Dexter guessed. The cloud puffed slightly. "I think so," it said. Dexter's ears perked. "You fell out of the sky." "Yes," the cloud said. "Just a little." Dexter looked up again. The sky still seemed very high. "Is the sky falling?" he asked. The cloud thought for a moment. "No," it said. "I think I just slipped." Dexter nodded seriously. "That happens." The little cloud wiggled on the grass. "I don't think I belong down here," it said. "You probably don't," Dexter agreed. "Well," the cloud added, "what do we do?" Dexter stood up. "We put you back." The cloud blinked. "How?" Dexter looked at the sky, then at the cloud, then at his paws. "Good question." First, Dexter tried pushing. He nudged the cloud upward with his nose. It lifted slightly, then plopped right back down. Dexter said. Next, he tried jumping. He grabbed the cloud gently and jumped as high as he could. Up, up, up. Not very high. They landed again. The cloud bounced. "Nice try," it said. Dexter sat down, thinking very hard. Then he had an idea. "Wind," he called. A soft breeze answered. "Yes, Dexter." "Can you help?" he asked. "This cloud needs to go back up." The wind swirled gently around them. "I can try?" The cloud perked up. "Please do." The wind took a deep breath. Then, whoosh, it lifted the little cloud. Higher, higher, higher! Dexter watched, tail wagging. "It's working." The cloud floated upward, wobbling happily. "I'm going home," it called. It drifted higher and higher until it reached the sky again. The big clouds welcomed it back. Dexter smiled. The sky looked whole again. Just like before. Well, almost. A tiny bit of cloud dust still sat on the grass. Dexter sniffed it. "Just a little sky," he said. He wagged his tail. "That's okay." And from then on, whenever Dexter looked up, he always checked to make sure the sky was still in place. Just in case.